What's up YouTube? This is the Nike Air Jordan 12 Retro Utility. Here it is. I think it's quite a nice shoe if you ask me. Again, there's a lot of these nice Jordan 12s. Like, it's a clean colorway. There's like nice speckle at the bottom here. I don't know if you guys are a fan of speckle at home, but I kind of like it. Speckle would refer to these dots at the bottom of the shoe. Nice black leather quality on the upper of the shoe here. All in all, it's a pretty clean pair of sneakers. Let's throw them on foot here. You can let me know what you think of them in the comment section below. If you're looking for a pair of these, you can check out the StockX affiliate marketing link in the description. You can probably grab a pair in any size. And usually they ship pretty quickly. I'm pretty sure you can have your StockX orders in less than 10 days. Almost all the time. It saves you from running around store to store looking for your size. I have bought some personals on StockX before. Like, they look pretty good already, and I'm not even standing up. Here's how they look on foot. I hope this helps you decide whether or not you want them. I think they're a great looking sneaker. Jordan 12s are a nice clean silhouette, and this colorway is pretty clean. It goes with a lot of stuff. If you're looking for a nice pair of jeans to go with your sneakers, maybe check out the StockX affiliate marketing link in the description. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.